What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something seriously special sitting right here in front of us, the all-new 2027 Nissan. So without wasting any more time, let us walk around this beast and break down everything you need to know. Alright, starting right here at the front, and honestly, wow, Nissan has thrown everything at this face. You have got this massive V-motion grille that is wider and more dominant than anything they have done before. It is finished in gloss black and flanked by this razor-sharp LED headlights that wrap around into the fenders beautifully. Now let us swing around to the rear, and this is where things get really dramatic. You have got these full-width LED tail lights that are thick, bold, and incredibly sharp. Below that, this carbon fiber rear diffuser is massive. It has these dual exhaust-style outlets embedded into it, and the whole lower section just screams performance. Now opening these doors, and by the way, the door itself is super solid. It swings wide and there is a great sense of quality just from that. And stepping inside, ladies and gentlemen, this interior is fire. Nissan has gone full premium in here. You have got these bucket style seats wrapped in this bold red suede fabric, which contrasts beautifully against the black carbon fiber and gloss black trim panels everywhere. Let us talk about what is under that hood. And here is where the 2027 X-Trail gets really interesting. Nissan has equipped this generation with their updated e-Power hybrid system. The one you can see right there, with those distinctive orange high-voltage cables. Reports suggest the new system will push out around 213 horsepower total system output with all-wheel control. Now for the question everyone always asks, how much is this going to cost? Based on everything we know, the 2027 Nissan X-Trail. For the global market, think somewhere between $35,000 and $45,000 US, depending on the region and trim level. Nissan is expected to officially reveal the production model later in 2026, with deliveries beginning in early 2027.